Hi, my name is Amelie Carrano and this is my video presentation for CIT 336 Enhancement 4. First, I will check the ACME database, the categories table, last one is trap, and inventory. The last is small bomb, number 16. Now I will go to the page and access the products folder. For the product management view, here I have add new category and new product. Let's check the add new category. If I click here without any information, I have this message, and now I will add a new category. Okay, let's do it again so it can appear here. Okay, now the product page, new product page. If I click here, I have this message, and now I will add a new product on the new category. Okay. Now I have this message here saying that the nylon rope was successfully added. Let's check on the ACME database, the categories. We have the new category here, and on the inventory we have a new product here. Okay, now I will go open again the products management and check CSS validation, okay, and HTML validation. Okay, let's do it on the category. Okay, HTML. Okay, and on the new product page, CSS, okay, HTML, okay. That's it. Thank you.